Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate snaps using AI on Snapchat. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So this is a new feature available in selected countries. So you need to update your Snapchat right now. And don't worry if you don't find available in your Snapchat mobile application, because this is only available in some selected countries. So after a few days or months, you will definitely have this feature in your app. So if you find this option update in the place of open, just make sure you update it, and after updating you have to just tap on it, just open it up, and here on the right side you will find AI snaps here. So what happens, basically you can just also go and search for the filters, and basically you will also find it in here under these Snapchat sections, right? So this is very easy thing to do, and this is the only thing. Basically you can use AI snaps. You can just give them prompt, you can just type, and you will able to generate images, and you can use those images for your snaps, right? You can just send it to your friends and families. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe.